Gang, today, good shit. What's up, gang? Thank y'all for tuning in. If you haven't yet, can I get you to tell a friend, and y'all all join in. Today we're gonna be doing a video on how to prepare my sea moss. We're gonna get right into it. Sea moss starts off looking brittle, dry, crunchy. Can you hear it? Stiff, don't stretch, dirty. I don't know if y'all seen them. Dirt falls, sandy. It grows in the seas. It's a form of seaweed. This is real deal, 100% wildcrafted. This isn't chlorine bleached. This is, it gets no better. That's why I'm not showing y'all the bag. I'm showing y'all the piece. But it starts off like this. Sea moss has to soak for 10 to 24 hours. This hasn't been touched. This is straight out the bag. Just showing y'all the states that it comes in. And that's it. So you wash this real good. I usually wash mine 3 or 4 times until the water is clear, until there ain't no more sand, no more dirt, no more grime at the bottom. And then I soak it for about at least 12 hours. This is, okay, let me try to show you. This is soaked sea moss. This has been here, that's my ring light. This has been here for about 12 hours. Okay. And sea moss swells. So easy. So this, I'm gonna lie. All this in my bowl probably started off is just this. These little 3 pieces. The longer they soak, the bigger they swell, the larger they get. This little bit soaked into this big old bowl. So after my sea moss is set 10 to 12 hours, it spreads. It grows. It's living. You don't boil it. You don't use hot water. I use bottled water. Okay. Just trying to show y'all. This is sea moss. This is what it is. Looks veiny. Looks almost like a placenta in a way. Yeah, so this is my fake sea moss. Clean. Smells good, smells fresh, no preservatives, no add-ons, straight water, straight sea moss. Went from that little handful to this within about 18 hours. Okay, so next step after you wash it, you soak it overnight, up to 24 hours. You blend it, okay? Or using my ninja. My ninja. Green. There you go. It ain't gonna be 100% like mine. You know, you can get fake sea moss from everywhere. Mix for me. And being down making my personal, I'm gonna use just a small blending cup. I'm just gonna use a bottle of water. Yes, it's cold. Yes, I'm cute. Y'all see my wig? Look out there. I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna add this one. So I'm gonna add these two. Being that I've been doing this so long, I know how much water to add. The ratio of water to sea moss. So with these two. Put my water in here. Put my water. Close my top. Okay, like don't do like me. Make sure the top is on there. It's not let y'all see it blending. Get into me though. She's so cute. Good job. This is where I want it. This is where it's at. I think. Okay, so I'm going so I use mason jars. And we're gonna pour it in our jar. I'll let it sit for a minute. And come back. It'll be great. I'll just show y'all one that has been sitting. After it sits, it thickens. It's cool. It's the truth. Sea moss has 92 out of 100 benefits that we need. Scratch that. Sea moss has 92 out of 100 minerals that we need. It helps with eyesight, arthritis, diabetes, high blood pressure, period cramps, boost male performance, boost immunity. A lot of my customers lately have been COVID people, or people who came in contact with COVID, or people who know somebody with COVID and trying to heal them. Sea moss is the key. I'm trying to tell y'all, I ain't just saying this. Sea moss. Sea moss is the boss. Sea moss. Thank y'all for liking my video. Can I get y'all to like, comment, and subscribe? Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. Y'all all join in. And don't forget to ring the ding. This is it. We have a good thumbnail. I'm gonna eat a little bit. Should I eat a little bit? Skin. I keep some upstairs. I put it on my face after I shower. My baby got eczema. I put it on her eczema patches. Alright. Put it on her eczema. And that's it. Let me get a good thumbnail. I'm ready to eat this after we're done. I like that. Alright, let's get it. Tony.